How to change your emo ID. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide I'll show you the step-by-step guide of how you can change your emo ID that someone can find your account easily. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to change your emo ID, you just need to go ahead and tap on the emo app from your device and then tap on the profile icon at the top left. And once you do that, you'll get to see the emo ID. This is kind of annoying to find out someone. So now to change the emo ID, just go ahead and tap on your profile right over here and then go ahead and tap on the emo ID option right here. And once you do that, you'll get to see the edit option. You can go ahead and tap on edit and tap on change my emo ID. And once you do that, you can actually type your preferred emo ID. So let's say I'm going to type in my name right here, so I'm gonna type in Skytech, and also you have to include the uppercase, lowercase, and also you actually have to enter a number if you want to. So this should be unique and available, and once you do that, you'll get to see the green button will be available. Go ahead and tap on the tick mark at the top right, and once you do that, your emo ID will be changed. Now if I go to the profile, you'll get to see the emo ID has been changed. Now someone can easily find my emo account with this emo ID. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please double like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.